Hi, first grade. So, we've been talking about music for special occasions lately, and we're going to have something special at the end. But I have a little music quiz for you. All right? I want to see if you can think of all the special music names and all the special things that we've been talking about. We're going to do a little bit of a review for our video today, and then I'm going to tell you about what the other video is going to look like. Something different. All right, repeat after me. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ta, ah, ta, ah, ta, ah, ta, ah. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ah. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ah. So those are all called our ta, and our ti. What do we call them? All right, if you got it right, it's rhythm. So we call those all our rhythm sounds, all our rhythms. Now, on your hand, can you draw a ta? I'll draw one with you. Ready? Oh, I guess it didn't show up. Does yours look like mine, where it's a circle with a line on it? All right. Can you draw a ta? You can draw it on your hand. Doesn't show up on my hand. Does yours look like mine? An open circle with a line? Yeah. I think you know what the last one's going to be. Ti. This is the fast one. This is the one that likes to have a friend with it. I'm going to draw it on my hand. You can draw it on your hand too. Does it look like mine, where we have two dots, two lines, and then a little line connecting them together? Yeah! All right. Now, sing after me. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, mi. Do, do, mi. Mi, so, mi. Mi, so, mi. Mi, 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 mi. Mi, 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 mi. So, mi, so, mi. So, mi, so, mi. That was a hard one. So, mi, do. So, mi, do. Can you remember what those are? That's our pitches. So we have our pitches, we have our rhythms, and we smush them together, and we get music. So we have sol up high, mi in the middle, do down low. Can you do that with me? Sol, mi, do. And we spent a lot of time a couple weeks ago talking about how we put those together and we can write music. Depending if the note is high or low, it's high or low on the staff. And depending on what rhythm it is how fast or slow it goes on the staff. Now, when we put them together, we get music. And we've been talking about music for special occasions. So there's a very special occasion that we can go to hear music. So this special occasion, we had it at our church back in December. Happens every year. We can go to a special place that's at the art museum and we can go and hear this. There's another special place, sounds like it's a holiday in February, Valentine, and we can go to a theater downtown and hear this. There's one down in Maumee named after a famous person in Toledo, Stranahan, and you can hear this special occasion there too. You think you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so we can go and see the symphony. So the Toledo Symphony is a group of a lot of musicians. I think there's 70 musicians and then a lot of other musicians that they bring in depending on what they're playing. And all this music that they do, it's like a special occasion. It's like going to a concert, like a big event. So when you go there, everyone's all dressed up. Maybe somebody went out to dinner before or had a special event. And then when you go there, it's something special because it's not just at home, it's something that we go out and do. Now, the symphony is a really cool thing in town that we can see, but we can go and see a rock concert. We can go and see some pop music, that like something that we hear on the radio. Going to see a concert's very special. Unfortunately, right now, we can't do that. We can't go see concerts. We can't do all that. So that's why I've been playing songs for you every night. But a lot of places around the world, not just here, have been taking their music and putting it online so we can hear it, so we can still hear concerts. So it's a special event. So here's what I want you to do. I'm going to give you a couple links along with this lesson, and I want you to go to a concert. So we can make this a fun, special family event where maybe we all can get dressed up. I'm wearing sweatpants right now, so maybe we can put on real pants, or we can put on a special shirt, and then we can have dinner together, and then we can go to a concert as a family and do something fun like that. So, remember, special events, special music, sometimes means special occasions. We do special things for that. So, you can pick and choose which concert you go to. Isn't that cool? So instead of showing up and being like, well, here's what it is. We can search anything. We can go to any concert. So I hope you can have a fun time kind of going and seeing this special concert and making this special event. So remember, music is something very, very special. And we have special events just around our music too. We have special events around church with our music. We have special events around holidays and birthdays with our music. So now let's make a special event and go to a music concert. You can pick and choose from any of the links that I give to you. All right, have a good weekend, and I will see you next week, first grade.